What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time it is you're watching. Welcome to a new video. We are on our way to the self-wash. Car's dirty, done some driving, and now it's time to get. I have the luck that my car is now fully protected with PPF, patent PPF on the bodywork, and anything above from the window side is gloss black PPF. Finally, we got some accumulation of dirt going on the car. And now it's time to introduce to you to the 2pH Plus, aka Libera and Renova, the traffic film removers for PPF. And there's where we entered a level of chemistry that needed some revision. Traffic film removers, as beautiful as they are almost all of them in the range of 12 and above. And from the pH level of 12, there is no more safety. There's only the handling of safety. So the product itself, by the user, needs to be handled correctly to prevent any damages or any problems. So when we were looking at traffic film removers, we could have taken the easy way out and said, okay, we will throw in some extra strong chemistry, making sure that it does everything that it needs to do to get rid of the dirt. But as you know, we at Labocosmetica like to respect the surface that we are treating. So more to the substrate-based detailing. The results are important, but it's also important to know what it does to the surface that you have treated with a specific chemical. So the first thing was to stay in a safe range with Libera. The challenge was to increase cleaning power without increasing alkalinity or going above that pH level of 12. We managed to find new generation surfactants that have the capability of penetrating deeper into the surface, what is much more important for PPF than in paint. As PPF really is like a skin, it acts like a skin, it breathes like a skin, it contracts and expands just like a skin. So it has to be treated specifically. Two of them. Libera, the traffic film remover alkaline, and Renova, the traffic film remover acidic. So staying in that pH 11 range keeps us from going into the caustic range or into the caustic aggressive range. We actually are attacking the surface that we are also cleaning. Because of course, you can imagine, is a product that you can use on your protected PPF? And the answer is yes. Also, the chemistry is strong enough to take off that dirt and is focusing on prevention. Especially those surfactants that have the capability deeper are then going deeper to make sure that that dirt that is embedded inside, deep into that PPF, that is responsible for discoloring, to the yellowing, to the transformation of that finish, the dullness, the blastness from the mineral deposits stuck to the surface. pH Plus system is just as easy as the original 2pH or 3pH. And this is a perfect opportunity for me to show you how this system is going to become effective for your maintenance wash. Because this PPF maintenance system is usable on any type of PPF. We are not restricting you to say, okay, you can only use it for the Labo PPF, because we understand the flavors and the taste of different detailers that want different types of chemicals, different types of PPF, and different types of ceramic coating. So we think of this when we are researching and developing these products, to making sure that it's an asset for a detailer, not fixed on specific terms or conditions. Before we start washing, we are going to check the situation as we have it right now on the PPF. Yes. So Libera, pretty straightforward. 2 dilutions, 1 to 5, 1 to 10. And as you can imagine, we are going to use it on the parts that it needed the most contaminated parts. I don't see any issues on the top of the roof, on the trunk and on the bonnet. and therefore we will use it for the lower parts of the car. And then we will make a dilution of a bucket wash in the form of Renova to finish up the cycle. Let's start with Libera. 1 to 5 for the heavy, 1 to 10 for the light. Now we have the most perfect conditions. It's about 6 degrees Celsius. It's cold, it's humid. It is the absolute perfect time to use a product like this. Smartest way is to use a pump sprayer. Then you have the speed of application and you have a little bit more control and you won't tire yourself out that much. Sprayed and not foamed. The reason is foam sits on top of the dirt, while spraying lets Libera deep, opening up the grime more effectively. Libera is engineered for that, and it's one of the very few TFR works better sprayed than foamed. On top of it, it has 2 unique technical traits. First is the slow drying time. Since it's not foamed, we specifically designed it to dry slowly, giving you more working time, deeper penetration, and less risk of marks. The second is reactivation. Even if it dries, once you wet it again, it wakes up and works like it's freshly applied. This is a signature of Labo technology and sets it apart from a classic alkaline TFR with pHs up to 12 and 13 that dry instantly and become hard to manage. For Renova, it becomes a little bit different because this is not Purifica. This is the acidic version of a TFR. 2 ways to use them. One as a spray, just like Libera. The second one as a bucket wash shampoo. But this one is more like a cosmetic shampoo. It's something you can use every day. It is specified to go deep inside to take another spectrum of inorganic contamination, mostly found inside of PPF. Where does Purifica then fall into line? Well, Purifica becomes the medicine, the aspirin for lime scale, for the problems that occur after a normal wash. Just like I've been trying to teach you now that there's a different approach about the 2 pH and 3 pH, where you have Primus, Purifica and Semper. Now, most of the time you can do it with Primus and Purifica or Primus and Semper. So the combinations have been changed. Therefore, Renova bucket wash shampoo for today, just to exfoliate anything inside of the PPF that is now not visible or visible, not visible at all. And the good thing about using PPF is that we can skip some rules about how to wash. So we're going to do it with 1 bucket wash. I'm going to go for 50 ml for today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the greatest smell right now in the detailing industry. Right now, at this moment, November 2025. Oh my God. This concludes the video about the 2pH Plus, aka Libera and Renova alkaline and acidic traffic film remover for PPF and wrapped cars. Finally, I've got PPF on my car. Finally, I could show you a demonstration about how this is going to become in a real life situation. The second and the last thing I want to add is that these chemicals are very concentrated. We have done everything we can, inclusive with the VDA certification. But please, do not use neutralization with other chemicals. There is a tip I can give you. It's the simplest one. Water has a pH of neutral. So with proper rinsing, if you rinse properly, the pH level will go down. You do not have to cross-contaminate this with another chemical, with an exothermic reaction, with side effects of gases, burning effects, ammonia gas. I've seen it all when you mix chemicals. Please do not mix chemicals and do not do neutralization other than if the manufacturer actually stated. Just use water, rinse properly, and you will be fine. Thank you guys for watching. Next one. Ciao.